Today I will be doing a tutorial on how to make Pesto the Penguin. You may have seen this little guy all over social media. Well, he's not so little. He's actually quite large compared to his peers. But I'm here today to show you how to make him. So first, we are going to need 33 brown pieces. You can also do this in any color you want, but you know, pesto's brown. And then blue for his eyes and 3 black pieces. So, our first step, we are going to take 2 pieces here, 2 brown pieces, and we're going to put them together like so. And then, right after you put them together, you're going to take 2 more, put one on either side of this piece here. After those 2 go in, you're going to add 2 more. One right up here, and one on the other side. Once you add those 2 pieces, you can add 1 piece of brown again on top to connect the 2. Alright, so we have a good start now, and then we put 1 more brown piece right in here. And then 2 more. Put them on either side here. So one here, and one here. After we have this structure, we're going to go ahead and add another piece here. And then one on the top. And one on the other side on the bottom. Alright, we're getting a lot of his body done, as you can see. Pretty rotund already. So our next step here will be to add 2 more pieces, so one on this side and one on the other. And then one right in the middle. So we're getting down to the bottom of his body now, and we're gonna go ahead and add the feet soon. So first, we're gonna add 1 more brown piece up here, and another one back here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set his body down, and we're gonna grab 2 black pieces and 2 brown pieces, and we're gonna make his feet. So we're gonna take 1 brown piece and put it like that for 1 foot. And then second foot. And we're gonna slide it right into here. So one on this side, you may have guessed it already, but the other one on the other side. Alright, now we've got Pesto's body, and to add a little bit more chonk to him, I'm gonna add 1 piece here in the front, and another piece here in the back. And we're also gonna add a little piece up by his neck. And make sure this piece being added up here is on the side where the black pieces don't go more forward, if that makes sense. So the opposite side of the feet pointing forward. And now we need to add little flippers. So we're going to take 2 brown pieces for each flipper. It's going to be 1. We're going to slide in right there. This is the other one. That flipper is going to slide in right on the other side. Alright, we've got Pesto's body all done, and now we're going to move on to his head. So, first thing you'll do with the head is take our pastel blue piece and our black piece, and we're going to push them together just like this. Next, we are going to add 2 brown pieces, so one on this side, and one on the other side of the eyes. So they're both facing the same way. Once that's put in there, I'm going to go ahead and add a piece between these 2, going in just like that, and a piece on top. Push it in right there. Alright, we have 2 pieces left. So we're going to put one right at the top of his head. Close that gap in, and then one on the back. All right, now we've got his little head done, and we are going to connect it. This black part of the black piece right there is going to connect right into here. So we're going to go ahead and push it down, and there you go. You've got a baby Pesto. So here he is, and then also just showing a variation, we have a regular penguin as well in the black and white. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed how to make Pesto the Penguin.